has been over 10 years since we last featured Sanyogi Umasankar on Supreme Master Television in 2010. Today, we feel a deep honor and joy in our reunion with him as he once again benevolently imparts to us his words of wisdom. Sanyogi Umasankar is one of India's most well-known and respected sun gazers. Born in the small village of Lachipur in India, Sanyogi Umasankar developed a keen interest in spirituality and finding life's purpose since early in his youth. Trained in a scientific background, Sanyogi Umasankar worked as an electrical engineer and businessman for a short period of time before ultimately devoting himself to life's highest aspiration. One day, while meditating by the ocean, he discovered Sun Yoga and the secret of deriving the sun's cosmic energy, which allowed him to thrive without the need for food for 12 years. Continuing his quest for spiritual enlightenment, Sanyogi embarked on a 2-year retreat in the Himalayas, where he witnessed his guru, Mahavatar Babaji's immortal body. From this encounter, Sanyogi received enlightenment and his idea of creating a global family home university was born. For many decades, Sanyogi Umasankar has walked barefoot across India and traveled the world to graciously teach Sun Yoga practice and to spread the message of peace, unity, and brotherhood. In his own words, Sanyogi Umasankar gives us a glimpse into his upbringing and how his spiritual journey first began.
When I was 5 years old, that time I was attend one spiritual seminar where spiritual leader was talking about this peace, how to bring the peace in the universe, on the society. It was very good topics. He was guiding us. We have to control our material desires like sex, anger, greed, narrow-mindedness, ego, jealous. It was very interesting things. I was child 5 years old. I was watching to him. Suddenly from my heart, one light went to him and connecting him and came back. Then I saw through the light what he is preaching. He is not living his life on that way. Then my inside was become a revolutist. Then I was thinking it is the social crime. Then my heart was talking, I should kill him. But suddenly inside one vibration came, killing is the non-solution. Violent is not the solution. They could be become violent, but peacefully we can give the solution. What is that? Bring the national highway, means enlightenment. So from that time I started searching what is the enlightenment, how we can bring the self-realization, bring to the enlightenment. Enlightenment is that each and everybody, we are source of the cosmos, macrocosmos and microcosmos. There is no duality, oneness. So soul is one for everybody. So we are one. When we can feel me is everybody's inside and everybody is my inside, when I can see that every particle of the universe inside me is existing, and when we can see every particles of the universe is existing within me, there is no duality. That is called enlightenment. So my journey started 5 years old, searching how we can become enlightened.
Born into a modest family, Sanyogi's perseverance, determination, and brilliance was already apparent at a tender age.
I born very poor family where one time food was very tough. Morning 5 o'clock we have to go to the work for the cultivation land. Then 10:30 we came. I have to go to school. 4 o'clock I came out from the school. Again, I have to go to the cultivation land, to the work. Evening, we have no book. Where is no food, we cannot buy the book. I went to my friend, give me one book. I'll return back 1 hour after. Friend says, which book I am going to stop, I don't know. Means she will not give me any one of book. That was painful life. But once I got some friend book, I have to finish 2-3 days our task, and I have to remember whole year. That's why our study period. But all of your unconditional love, that cosmic love, was connected with me. I was the still first boy in the class.
His parents played a supportive role in guiding young Sanyogi toward the inward path of finding his true origin. His earnest quest was fulfilled when his mother agreed to give him initiation through the grace of her Guru, His Holiness Mahavatar Babaji.
So morning, mother was in God's room, prayer room for doing her kriya. I entrance after taking my bath. I was a electronics engineer. So that time my cloth was as a modern dress, but I used this simple dress and I came to the God's room where mother was practicing. Then mother says, why did you came today? I told, you give me initiation. She told, I never gave to anybody. How I can give you? Then I told her, you gave somebody or not, that is not my problem, but I know from my heart, you are my Guru. If you don't like to give me initiation, I have no objection, but I will never take initiation from anywhere else in the world if I will die, if you don't give me initiation. Then she told, please sit down, please sit down. Then I was sitting in front of her. She was closing eyes and trying to get permission from her Guru. Suddenly I saw 2 minutes after, from her third eye, one beautiful torch focus light came out and it touched my Anahata chakras. I was a science student. I didn't believe before it can happen. But when I saw myself, I cannot forget it. I have to trust. Then mother opened her eyes. She was little fiery. She told, are you ready? I will give you initiation. I was ready. Now she was giving one by one Kriya Yoga's process and I was doing with her same time. And when after some time she told, what I know, I gave you everything. I was so happy. First day of my initiation life, Guru how much knows, Guru has given me everything. And then she came down normal position. Then I asked her, today is a very great day. Why you were fiery at that time? Then she told, when I was closing my eyes to take permission of my Guru, somebody catch my neck and told me, give him initiation. Then I asked him, who was that person? That is the Maha Avatar Babaji. So I am so grateful, thankful to the Babaji who has given me initiation by His Holiness through my mother.
When it was suggested that he marry and have a family, Sanyogi reflected on an all-encompassing universal family as he responded,
Mother, you are asking me to get married. That means you want to see my family. Am I right? She told, yes. Then I told him, which family you are asking? Husband, wife, children, parents, brothers, sisters. That's all. That is for me very small family. But I also looking for the family. Whole universe is one family. All the universal creatures are my brother. All the universal ladies, my mother. So your family and my family, your family is included my family. Which family is the best family? Now mother was again shocked. Now mother, I was open directly from my mother third eye. That light came to me again connected to the Anahata chakras. Then mother blessed me. Though I given you initiation, you cross my level. So I am giving to you freedom. You may practice or not.
Thus, in 1995, San Yogi's spiritual journey at the Pondicherry Aurobindo Ashram began. This was also when he discovered Sun Yoga. In the next episode, we will learn more about San Yogi Umasankar's experiences of meditating on the sun's cosmic energy and his journey across India. Lovely viewers, thank you for your company for today's words of wisdom.